What's up? What's up, people? It's your boy J Tex Official. And you don't know, say, friend, you see me ugly face, don't know, say, it's a video. You see me? So, clone myself, I talk to myself. Yeah, as you see in the title, did I just clone myself? I actually did. Me just did a tryout a thing. And yeah, me kind of pull it off in a way. So, I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you definitely like it. So, without further ado, let's get into this video. Let's go!
That the way I want beard my youth. What you think?
Think like shit though. And the one named Laboratory, you see me, brother. Toilet. No wonder he smells so putrid. He astonishing how the world not pick up that they send them a sulfur that you have bun. But if you name a weed, toilet. Yeah, young smoker. You became better if you get one puff out of this. You knock out. Knock the fuck out, brother. Knock out who? Look for me good fussy. I'm born for this. What? You don't believe me? I can't manage this, man. What is it? Water puff? You really water puff? Yes. And don't make me have to ask you again, feet, you know. That me I make you know, you know. Alright. Baby, me tell you, what this? Thanks, man, you bum buckler. So you're going to like say you don't want to give me no weed, so. Now because me a new smoker, me a newbie, me a newbie. So I'm take up off of this story, fuck it for you. For your dip on it.